everyone, my name is Marshanae Matthews, and I'm here to tell you about tips of effective listening. Effective listening is the ability to focus completely on the speaker, understand their message, comprehend the information, and respond thoughtfully. Why is effective listening important? Effective listening is a process that can be broken up into 5 distinct stages: receiving, remembering, evaluating, understanding, and responding. The 5 stages of effective listening goes like this. Receiving is the act of absorbing the information being expressed to you, whether verbally or non-verbally. Understanding takes place after the information is received and the process of the meaning begins. Remembering is how the information is retained in your short-term memory into your long-term memory. Evaluating is after the message has been absorbed, processed, and remembered, you can begin to sort the information into pieces. Responding is how you respond to the speaker, including their important points, the awareness of the circumstances, and context surrounding their words. These 2 pictures I chose because I believe they demonstrate effective listening. Benefits and examples of effective listening are: it builds deep trust. When people know they can speak to you freely without interruptions, judgment, or unwelcome interjections, they'll be more likely to confide in you. It broadens your perspective. It strengthens your patience. It makes you approachable. Again, once people know that they can trust you and you're not going to judge them or throw anything that they say up in their face, they will want to come and confide in you. It increases competence and knowledge. It saves time and money. And it helps detect and solve problems. Examples of effective listening are paraphrasing, asking open-ended questions, brief verbal affirmations, asking specific questions, relating with certain situations. The relating with certain situations, I believe, is a good one for others to know that you have been through certain situations similar to theirs, so it's easier for you to understand them and what they're going through. And 6 is summarizing the questions. The 10 tips of effective listening are: letting others tell their story first, listening first and talking later, fighting off distractions. Once a person knows that you have their undivided attention, then they will want to come and talk to you. Listening for main points, reacting to the message and not the person, using feedback. Everybody wants to know how you understood them and what do you think about certain things that they are telling you. Trying not to be critical, either mentally or verbally, of the other person's point of view. Listening attentively. This goes back to the person having your undivided attention. Creating a positive listening environment. I always like to have my one-on-one talks in the car riding down the street. It's so soothing. Asking questions. In conclusion, effective listening, again, is the ability to understand others as they are speaking. It is a skill that is needed throughout everyone's lives. There are many benefits and strengths of effective listening, so it is important to know and understand the tips of effective listening in order to understand others. And this picture I chose was how the outcome of effective listening can be if the tips of effective listening are followed. Here are my references: the 10 tips of effective listening, why is listening important, and benefits and examples of effective listening. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for watching.